Another quality listing by Sabaya Realty. Nestled in the highly sought-after location Noah's Southwest Cape Coral area, near Cape Harbor and Tarpon Point, sits this amazing 3/2/2 versatile floor plan that you will fall in love with and call home. The Gulf Access neighborhood welcomes you with lined royal palm trees along the street, which continues into the driveway area of the home. This home offers features that you would find in larger custom-built homes, such as double entry doors with direct views through the sliding doors onto the large under-truss lanai, which will eventually lead to the custom pool that you can design yourself and get all the outdoor amenities you are looking for. The master retreat offers a large oversized bedroom with walk-in closet, dual sinks, and separate soaking tub and shower. Your guest bedrooms offer privacy with a split floor plan with the guest bath having access to the future pool area. Don't need a pool? Finish the fencing and the large open background can be an amazing play area for the kids and man's best friend. Don't let this piece of paradise slip away and set up a showing today.